show to you about how to make a video promotion of your product. But before that, I will tell you the step of how to promote your product. The first is tell the customer about what is your product or what is the brand of your product, and then you can tell them about the advantages of your product, and then don't forget to tell them about the cost of your product and where do the customer can find your product. Okay, to make it short, let's check it out. Hello guys, I'm Tanya Anissa from Sunshine Collection, and I'm back with our new product of this month. And our new product is t-shirt. This t-shirt has a good quality and it's made by 100% cotton, and we have so many color of this t-shirt, so you can choose whatever color that you want. And you also can request the design and the screen printing on this t-shirt. And if you wear this t-shirt, I'm sure that you will not feel hot, and of course this t-shirt will absorb the sweat. And for the price, don't worry, this t-shirt is very affordable. It's just 50,000 rupiah for long sleeve t-shirt like this, and 40,000 rupiah for short sleeve t-shirt. And you can find this t-shirt in all Sunshine Collection store in Bandung, Jakarta, and Surabaya, or you can order it via online on our social media in Instagram at sunshine.collection and on Facebook at Sunshine Collection. And for the 50 fastest buyers, we have special offer that they will get 10% discount from us. Okay, so hurry up and don't run out because our stock is limited. Thank you. Okay guys, I think that's enough from me. Thank you for your attention, and don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification. Thank you for your attention and see you next time. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Tanya Anissa, and today I'd like to share to you about my favorite tourism destination in Pangalengan, Bandung. Do you know where is Pangalengan?